Hey guys! Today I will show you how to install Linux, Ubuntu, using VMware in a virtual environment. So let's get started. First step. Download the VMware Workstation from the VMware website. Step 2. After downloading the setup file, run the setup file. Let's install the VMware. So our player is installed. Let's create a virtual machine now. So open the VMware app. First of all, we will select our operating system. Select Linux and search a version Ubuntu. You can browse the location where you want to install. I am leaving it as it is. I have allocated 80 GB of hard drive because I have 500 GB. And for RAM I have 32 GB, so I am allocating 16 GB of RAM to virtual machine. Now let's download the Ubuntu from Ubuntu website. We are downloading the LTS version of Ubuntu because it has a long-term support. It can take time depending upon your internet speed. I have downloaded the Ubuntu ISO on my machine. Now let's install it into our virtual machine. Follow the steps. Play your virtual machine. Open the player settings. Select CD, DVD. Select Use ISO image. Then select your downloaded Ubuntu ISO image from your downloads. After that, click OK. Now you have to restart your virtual machine. Wait for the machine to boot from the image. This can take a while. Now let's follow the installation steps. Wait for the installation to complete. Click on the Restart Now button. Wait a while. Congratulations, you have installed your Ubuntu on a virtual machine. Now you can log in using your password. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.